Hey everyone, this is Mo again from South Bay Hyundai. Today I'm going to show you how to use the head-up display setting on the 25 Tucson. To go to head-up display, all you have to do is swipe left, go to setup, choose cluster head-up display, and then choose head-up display settings. Over here, you'll find three options. The first one is to enable or disable the head-up display. Second option over here is display adjustment control. You can automatically save the head-up display height and rotation settings, or you can set it up from here. You can set up the height or the rotation. If you swipe down, you'll find the brightness. Going back, there's a content selection. With this option, you can choose what to show on your head-up display. It's either going to be turns, media information, call info, driver assistant information, and blind spot safety information. Thank you everyone for watching. If you have any questions, drop it below and we'll see you soon.